This video is brought to you by The True Story of Mrs. Claus. This creative but wholesome reimagining tells the story of how the world's most powerful magic practitioner and a humble toy maker became the most famous couple in history. Together, they bring joy to millions of people every year at Christmas time. This story honors the season's traditions while shedding light on a character that is well known but often overlooked. Click the links in the description below to get your copy today. Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. I'm your host, Robert Cantor, and today I've got another Wonka Bar for you. As we all know, Willy Wonka loves his chocolate, and good things come in threes. That's right, today we're making Willy Wonka's Triple Chocolate Treasure Trove. Don't worry, this is an easy one. All you need is 2 ounces of white chocolate, 2 ounces of semi-sweet, and enough dark chocolate to suit your taste. But given the size of the mold, I wouldn't go over an ounce. Follow these instructions and you'll do just fine. When the chocolate's in the mold, don't forget to poke it for air bubbles and then repave it with a rubber spatula. That's all I've got to say. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you really want to help this channel out, click the links in the description below and buy my books.